Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to replace the bulbs on your rear lights, on the stop lights. For this I purchased for my Renault Clio 3 estate the Philips Vision P21 slash 5W, 5 watts. This should fit for the red light stops. You see that they have a double filament each. And also I've purchased the P21W version with a single filament. Hopefully this will fit the reverse lights and the other the fog lamps on the back, but we'll see. So this is how the rear headlight looks after it has been taken off. It has two T20 screws that need to be taken out, and after that you can try to pull it towards you gently and swivel it a bit to the left or to the right, depending on which side you are of the car, and it should pop out. Also, you have to remove this power plug. I simply used a flat head screwdriver in such a way that we need to make this part of the power plug, you see this one here, this one, to pass this little plastic notch right here. Let's see. So that little plastic notch above the green spot. And now we need to take out this whole thing. It has some plastic clips. Let's see, with one hand is a bit tricky, but you can see they're right here. This one, this one, and this one. I will be right back. Okay, so here it is. Just for this one here I need to use the flat screwdriver. The other two pop out real easy. And here it is. So basically it looks something like this. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's like this. These are the turn signaling lights, the Philips Silver Vision. They are still working after all these 10 years. This I think is the reverse light, and this is the stop red light that is burnt. Let's see exactly which one is which. So this is indeed P21 5W, and we shall see if this one is P21. To install the new bulbs, make sure to wear, it's mandatory to wear a pair of gloves, otherwise if you touch the bulb, the glass, they will burn faster. Okay, so we have the bulb and we need just to twist it. You see that it can go only in one way. press it down and then twist it, and that's it. The other bulb indeed is a P21W. So it's a 21 watts bulb with a single filament for the reverse lights. This is the old one. And here we have the new. So again, we press it. Here we need to press it firmly. So, and twist it. Yep. I need to do this with two hands. Let's see if I can do it like this. So this is out. And this is in. It is like that. And now let's put it all back. So this is placed back in. Now I will grease these two plastic tips to make them go back in easier on these two holes, right there and right there. Of course we need to plug back in the power plug. I will use this. Like so. Hopefully it will help. So there, it popped back in really easy. I mean, it was so easy. I highly recommend you to do this, otherwise you risk shattering the plastic. Like here's what they've done. You can see it is all shattered from the way the previous mechanic pushed it like an animal. Yeah. And now let's make a test.
Opresc.
Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. May your headlamps and the rear lights work as flawlessly as possible all the time, and I will see you in the next one. Take care wherever you are, and bye bye.